Hey all, welcome back to Messing with Mopars. Merry Christmas. I think I already did that, but anyhow, I just got back from Alberta. So first day back at the shop after Christmas. Here's what's going on. Gonna grab my coffee, because I'm just having a coffee. So we got some stuff from Mancini Racing. I ordered the plugs for the dipstick on the 383 to put in the truck, so we'll install those today. And what else do we got going on today? I think my buddy Shane's coming by. We're going to bleed the brakes on the 66, get those all tiled in. Probably going to have to look at the rear diff cover. Looked like it was sweating some differential fluid, so we'll fix that up. And then we'll check the oil pan, because it was sweating too. And it hasn't been running, so whatever. Anyhow, so I'm going to pull two tall Jones over here, and I think we'll just turn them around. There. So there's the little package we got. Got me my knife. And let's have a look, see what we got here. It says open as soon as you get it, but I was in Alberta when we received this, so there's some Comp Cam lube, set of lifters, and hydraulic purple shaft cam, 509 292. So we'll have a look at that. Everything looks pretty good. Here's that part I was telling you about, the dipstick plug, and that is AR279. So when you're doing a swap like this on these, because you need a rear sump pan, and if you're using when you're using a car block, and I'll just bring you guys down a little further, the dipstick tube here doesn't work because it's the rear sump pan, so we need to plug it, obviously. So that's what that's for. And I don't know if you guys can see that. AR279 dipstick tube plug. So we'll put some RTV on there. Tap that in with the little Tanya Harding, as Derek Barry calls them. And we'll go from there. So let's go back. We'll get rid of this box here. Looks like a pick slip. Okay. Okay, that's done. See. This. This. There she is in her.
Now we can take a look at what's in the can.
Not big. Check it. This is probably just going to be on a shelf for a while. I'm not sure where we want to put it. The camshaft. A little bit of discoloration there. Where's something I can put this on?
So here's the pan after cleaning it. Yeah, there wasn't really much in here. A little bit on that ligament over there. But yeah. So we gas line is possible.
Pretty good.
Much.
I think a little WD, I think a little WD will fit that up.
Well, you're very
It's just a single bolt camshaft, purple shaft cam, old school specs.
Got a bloodbath under here. I have a lot of respect for guys and gals who stand in the cars and do this all day. Especially in the winter time. You know, snow and ice dripping on your face,
There we go.
EPF and your
So
earlobe.
that's that.
That's the torch.
Put the old last man back on it, keep her sealed up. There we go. Comes with some driven racing. There's no cam card in here. Huh. Well, that's interesting. Well, we can just run the numbers on it. It's a P41202336. There you go. So we'll just put that back here for now. So lifters there. And then we also got these. My lovely wife. These for Christmas.
Well, go ahead, leave it in, boy. I found one of these cookies. You know how to adjust.
There you go.
Nice and tight.
I won't shine it right at you guys because it's really bright. So just a headband.
Anywhere between 10 and 15.
Fits pretty good. Can adjust it.
Man, wow, it's nice.
It's got different illuminations. Pretty good. So I'm gonna have to plug those in. They're rechargeable, obviously. Well, not obviously, but they are. So there you go.
20.
Those can go there. I have to send them to an email and say we need a cam card for that cam.
Feel like Daddy and Depot.
There we go.
Had to go get a step stool.
There you go.
These are not.
That's what we got. So now,
Hey, self-filter, spot filter. That's falling off. That's loose.
I guess we should probably, that was pretty fast for everybody, eh?
Let's see where
I'll have to be careful. So we'll have to
throw some more dirt inside.
lift the car up and then I got to track down some stuff for bleeding the brakes and whatnot. So
Start with 10.
we'll just stop the video at that.
Fire it. Gears.
Thanks for coming along for the ride. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Everybody that leaves a comment, I try to answer every time. So we'll go from there. And thank you to all my subscribers. So have a great day.